Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on your name down here, and just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to next step here, then all you have to do now. So then you just click here on notifications. So when you just click here on notifications here, you come to next step here. Then you click here on mail tracker. Then you come to next step here, come here to mail tracker notifications. Just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's here mail tracker notifications enabled with us now. And here can you select all this here. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.